Let's go. Habib, full speed. Huh? Everybody, full speed. Talking a little bit about the Black Desert. Tall little stones. Into the White Desert right now. That's why they call it Crystal Mountain. Ah, my brother. In the Sahara Desert, you guys. Oh, that's amazing. Naturalistic trend. Yalla bina, Habib. Yalla bina. Let's do it. Let's. Yalla bina. Welcome to the very first of the Africa Travel Series. Let's go, Henny. Whoa! Egypt. Welcome, beautiful people. Yes, you can make what you want. We're on a journey walking the streets. Welcome to Egypt. We got rocked up. I'm from Egypt. Ancient history, you guys.
Anyone in the world
Very special.
come here in Egypt.
مرحبا. ها؟ حيي.
Very safe, every places.
يلا.
You can make what you want.
Yeah, tell us.
Egypt, make what you want.
On the journey, we're still going. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Welcome to Egypt. Woo! Welcome to this very special video. I'm going to be taking you guys in depth in Egypt, in Cairo, Egypt, about 5 hours away by the Bahira Oasis. And while we get there, we're going to be going to some really amazing places, such as the Black Desert, White Desert, and the Crystal Mountain. These are archaeological sites, not based on history, but based on nature. We're going to go in depth on this tour. It's something fantastic. It's a 5-hour ride outside of Cairo, Egypt, and a 5-hour ride back to Cairo, Egypt. But once we get there, we're going to have an awesome tour guide. We're actually right here. So, my brother, introduce. So we have this awesome tour guide here taking us on this whole trip.
The Black Desert, where is the volcanic place, where is the magma pushed to surface. If we explore it, and after that we're going to the Bedouin village to see the cold spring and hot spring, to the Crystal Mountain, to Agabad, to the White Desert, to the White Desert where we have the sunset and campfire.
Fantastic. So let's go and start the journey, guys. Let's go. Getting some food, lunch right now until we get to the next destination to see this tour and what it's all about. What's going on here? Black Desert. Shout out to all the travelers behind us. Oh! This is fantastic. So, a bunch of travelers. On a trip like this, they do not take one person, they usually take a bunch of other people because it's a 5-hour ride all the way, 5-hour ride all the way back. Let's go! Woo! out here to the Black Desert, you guys. He's gonna be talking a little bit about the Black Desert. So what is going on here?
This is a volcanic place. No active anymore. Magma with the surface. If you look for the whole Black Desert here, you'll find all they are looking like the pyramids. If they are active, from up it's looking like hole. So this is why we call it Black Desert, and this is why it's a volcanic.
Fantastic.
Since 5 million years ago.
5 million years.
Yeah, it was all this.
So you're telling me that all of this wrapping around us was all water,
All was a water.
and these things were sticking out of the water.
Yes, but it's a volcanic. So magma with the surface. So this is
Magma came out,
Yeah.
overflowed, melted the water down to the ground,
Yeah.
and it dried up.
Yeah.
That's fantastic, guys. And then that's how everything turned into the colors.
Coming back.
Wow.
It's really amazing.
Wow.
Court. It's a volcanics. It's a court. Material of the stone. It's a court. Yeah.
From the volcanic eruption.
Yeah.
You guys can see it. It has its own forms.
And the volcanic 3 colors: red and white and blacks.
You see that? It's just a desolate desert, empty, completely just full of space. Every hill that you guys see have had eruptions. So they're basically a bunch of volcanoes. They formed into these colors to make it darker. That's why they call it the Black Desert. Let's go on to the next journey, guys. Let's go.
Let's go!
You dig, the water is coming. Here, all the area wasted, the water under the ground. We dig and we have water. Hey guys, here are the Crystal Mountains. Here it's happening from long time ago. It's happening volcanics. The material of the stone it's shocked. The hot water volcanics 1100 degree. So they melted the alabaster to the crystals. So this is why we call it Crystal Mountains.
So we just got here. It took about how long did the ride get from here to the Black Desert?
It's around 30 minutes.
It's around 30-minute ride from here to the Black Desert. We just got here to the Crystal Mountain. What is that? You see?
That's the crystal.
You guys could see it. And it's just crystals like this all over the mountain, all around it. Volcanic eruption in the past that transformed this area into this. Riding along the sand dunes. The Sahara Desert, you guys. Riding along to the mountain. Aqaba. Got it.
Ready, move.
We got it. Let's get it! Here we go. As you guys can see, there's other drivers here. Oh, let's get it! Woo! All right, guys. So our next spot, our next destination in this amazing journey. Habib, let me know what's going on right now.
Video now?
Yes, sir.
Here is Agabat.
Agabat. Fantastic. And so what's up? You gotta show the scene. You guys should check it out. As you guys can see, it's just a bunch of like boulder stones, kind of like pieces of the Grand Canyon or something. And they're just like tall little stones or mountains, whatever they are. Exactly. Habib, what's going on here now? Yeah. Agabat. And how does it form like this? Like, what is so cool? What makes it special?
Sorry?
Hello, my friend. I was asking what makes this place special? Like, what makes this a place to come check out?
This was an ocean.
It was it used to be an ocean before.
Yeah.
And then the ocean...
Shape.
Say it again. To the world. They're all listening to you right now.
Welcome to the world.
Ah, my brother. Alright, one love. You want to say hello, you guys?
Hi.
Where are you guys from in the world?
We're from the States.
The States,
Yeah.
America represent.
Yeah.
So you guys, Agabat, what makes, so this used to be all ocean.
Yeah, it's ocean. It's changing from the landscape. So there is nothing. It's in nature like. Hey guys, here is Agabat. Agabat is the most beautiful part in Sahara Desert. Here it was the hardest place for a long time when he was traveling by camels or by when the king of Egypt he came to cover the sea land. It was the hardest place to travel with the boat. Agabat, it means huge something. It's like Aqaba.
Taking us. Let's go on to the next journey. Where are we going next, brother? Let's go. Sandboarding? Skoo! Before we head to the next stop, we gotta do one thing. Are you guys ready? Yalabina? Yalabina? Let's go. Habib, full speed. Huh? Everybody, full speed. Stopped the car and our tour guide just got out for it. I don't know what exactly is it. What is going on, Habib? Pardon me? A flower stone. Flower stone. Absolutely. Yeah, see that? And its own shape, like a flower. This is what makes it really unique. We just stopped for this exactly. We're gonna head back to continue on the journey, you guys. Oh yeah, bro. How was that?
This was fun.
Oh yeah. How did we go down? Fish. Yeah. Let's get it. Scoop. Get it.
People,
What's going on, my brother?
what's going on, my brother?
One love. You see, just relaxation. Everybody's enjoying the shisha, the vibes. We got an awesome tour guide right here. And everybody's enjoying the sand dunes. Before we get to the next stop. My brother.
Yes,
Where is the last destination? Where are we going now?
now we're going the White Desert National Park, and the famous one is the chicken and flesh.
Yeah? Let's go. Hey, baby. Baby. Look at that. Wow, guys, so we're getting to the White Desert right now. It's the White Desert right here, right? Wow. Alright guys, we're gonna get out. So this is the White Desert. We just arrived. It's the White Desert National Park. Absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, so we just landed. We parked up here. I will definitely thank you. Our tour guide is telling us, awesome gentlemen, he's telling us to get up to the top of this stone and see the sunset. It's really beautiful. These are the awesome, amazing people. We're getting the chairs for us to be comfortable. They have a table set up. They're creating a mattress. They're creating shade for ourselves. It's really nice, really nice, really nice. We're in a beautiful, peaceful, desolate area. It's just serenity. Good for the spirit to have this peace here, guys. What you call survival of the fittest. Here in the building. We're here now unwinding for the day, enjoying the sunset, gonna get some food. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That was his journey to the Black Desert, White Desert, and the Crystal Mountain. Shout out to our tour guide that brought us along for this journey. Amazing. Enjoy the sounds of the music, and I'll see you guys next week. Deuces.
والله يا ربعي وأهلي وناسي. Bravo. يلا let's go.
Habibo, come show. What's going on? Habib, what's going on? Walk up.
Chicken mushrooms.
What did you say? What?
Desert.
Formed like Can you guys see that?
Yeah, we see that guy.
It's a chicken
It's chicken and mushroom.
and a mushroom.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wee, wow. Say it again, say it again. Sorry. 1 second, you guys. Go, go, go. About Aqaba. Come on, come on, come on.
خلاص.
Habibi.